The Meghalaya State Olympics Association (MSOA) had organized the State Sports Talent Identification Program in July 2022, where as many as 260 trainees have been identified under the STAR program Phase 1. This was announced by the president of the MSOA, John F Kharshiing, at a press conference held on the 8th of February 2023. Kharshiing further appealed to the 77 out of the 260 selected trainees to register through a phone call to their individual district sports officer or the office of the MSOA at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Shillong, between the 8th to the 14th of February 2023.
Mass talent identification program which happened in July. Conducted under the STAR program, the Phase 1, conducted by Meghalaya State Olympics Association and the Department of Sports, Government of Meghalaya. We are once again, last week, 2 weeks ago, the DSOs, various districts, they had made a call for the athletes to report. We have tested about 4,500 children, out of which 200 have been recommended for further training under an elite pathway program, EPP. And out of the 200, over 130 children have reported based on the contacts that have been given, and a few number of them are still yet to report. So since it's a very important one-year program that they will be undertaking, further training, the selected 200 children. So we are requesting through the media today, as done by the Department of Sports earlier, we are requesting that the children whose names we are circulating to the media, requesting you to also publish their names, to also requesting these children, the parents, to ensure that their children report to the respective district sports officer or the Meghalaya State Olympics Association, and their mobile numbers of the respective officials have been given here. So, as you're aware, the H10, the MSOA had conducted this program with the support of the government. So the Phase 2, Part 1, because by the time we just started, we completed only 1,800 tests, 1,800 something out of 10,000 because of the holidays of the schools, which will be resume back. I think the Olympian group will come. They are returning back on 2nd of after the elections to resume the program. And so in this thing, these children have 24 females and 36 males have been selected from the Phase 2 program. From the Phase 1 program in July, 200 children have been selected. So their list has been circulated earlier to the media, published also, and a lot of them have reported to the office. Now we need these children to come in. Those who have not yet reported, we'd like to make a call to once again request them to report. So these are the children selected from the various 12 districts. So from East Garo Hills, 2 children. From Eastern West Khasi Hills, 7. From Riboy District, 6. From Southwest Khasi Hills, 4. Southwest Garo Hills, 15. West Jainti Hills, 9. East Jainti Hills, 2. South Garo Hills, 4. West Garo Hills, 17. West Khasi Hills, 20. East Khasi Hills, 103. North Garo Hills, 11. From the Phase 1, 200 of them. And from the Phase 2, there are 24 children from various districts. The breakup is yet to be pulled out. And so we are requesting that they come forward. Today we have found a most amazing athlete. His name is Panchai. This is female. His name is Wanlam Jingshai Pujan. During the Phase 1 also, we found so many athletes doing international benchmarks. Now in Phase 2, Part 1, which we kick-started on 28th of November, and ended sometime in 15th of December due to the vacation. So this report submitted by H10 has identified one athlete by the name of Wanlam Jingshai Hujan and Philan Jos Marngar, both 16 years old. This Wanlam Jingshai Hujan in the 20 meters, the number that was given was that they should clock 3 seconds. He ran at a speed of 3.03 seconds, almost near that international benchmark, just by 0.3 seconds. And then he did an amazing vertical jump of 80 centimeters. He's the first Meghalaya athlete or child who has jumped 80 centimeters. Right? Then in the 10-meter ladder run, the benchmark was 2.6. The benchmark was 2.6. Can any Meghalaya child run 2.6 seconds for the 10 meter? He ran a speed of 2.41. The 2.6 was an international benchmark. He ran at a speed of 2.41. Even in the compass drill, the compass drill, the speed given was 7.5 seconds for male and 8.5 seconds for female. He ran at a speed of 7 seconds, 7.01, which is an incredible, outstanding speed. So they have expressed concern that experts have suggested that so this is part of the ongoing process, that he's one of them. But we'd like to just inform you that there is some amazing. Not only him, there are some other kids from Nokstoin that have been discovered. He's from Sip Singh School, and there are some others from Anderson School, and there's some other neighboring schools.